Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the DC jack on a Dell Inspiron 3473. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide open locking mechanism and remove battery. Remove optical drive screws. Using a plastic scribe, push to release the optical drive from the optical drive bay. Now use a plastic scribe to release tabs and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect and remove keyboard. Now remove upper palm rest screws. Now remove bottom palm rest screws. Then use fingers to pry apart base cover. Next, unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect and remove wireless card. Now separate clips and remove memory. Then unscrew and remove heatsink. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Next, unscrew and turn over motherboard. Now disconnect and remove motherboard. Now unscrew and lift right hinge. Now unscrew and remove DC jack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.